3 best free IPTV players for Android TV, Google TV, and Firestick. Are you tired of expensive cable bills and complicated streaming apps that just do not work? Today, we are solving your streaming frustrations once and for all with the best free options available. The best part is, you can fix these issues and set everything up yourself right at home. By the end of this video, you will have a perfect streaming setup on your TV box or Firestick. If you run into any difficulty, just leave a comment below. I promise to reply to you within 1 hour. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel TechVibes for more practical tech solutions. First on our list is a household name in the streaming world, IPTV Smarters Pro. It is famous for its user-friendly interface and the ability to support multiple service providers. You can easily load your playlist using M3U links or your Xstream Code's API details. To install it on a Firestick, you will need to use the Downloader app and enable developer options. It is reliable, versatile, and works perfectly on almost any Android-based TV box. This is a solid choice if you want a professional feel without paying a dime. Next up is TVMate, which is arguably the most modern IPTV player available today. The free version offers essential features like a clear program guide and full subtitle support. It is designed specifically for large screens with a very intuitive and customizable layout. It is highly optimized for remote control navigation, making it perfect for your set-top box. Pro tip: if you see any stuttering, try adjusting the tunneled playback setting in the menu. Finally, we have OTT Navigator. This player stands out for being incredibly sleek and fast. One major advantage is the ad-free experience, which is very rare for free applications. It supports all major formats and provides a very professional look for your movies and shows. Go to Settings, then go to Providers, then enter your provider details to start streaming. If you want a clean and professional interface without interruptions, this is the one to choose. Now you have the tools to enjoy high-quality streaming without the high monthly cost. Stay confident in your tech setup. This is TechVibes, and I will see you in the next one.